We are here with that Standard of Excellence Cadillac. Standard of Excellence Cadillac in this nice row, a few at no reserve. Going over the block on Friday. We'll start here with this 59 Series 62 convertible. Beautiful big car. Comprehensive restoration. Been digging that baby blue interior. Of course, twin bullet tail fins. Such a big part of these vehicles back in the day. Deluxe everything inside. Push button radio. This is tomorrow morning. F80. Now F81 is a 38 V16 Imperial. Okay, the V16 of course had a fairly small diameter to the piston, but again it was state of the art. And check out that Cadillac emblem. Got us a speed type grille emblem, hood ornament rather. And again, this is the height of Deco styling with these large covered spares right here, all streamlined in. Again, this is an older restoration, leather interior. There's a glass wall between the front and the back. Extra room in the back as need be. Massive, massive vehicle. Center opening doors. Dual spares. Again, wonderful, wonderful historical car. Cadillac. Great car to see here in the Sunset. Mecum 2025. Let's take a look at another one here. This is a 27 Model 314B touring car. Again, you can really see the evolution. We'll get to that Rolls Royce here in a minute. But motor meters type gauge with a Cadillac emblem on it. Grill slatting. Wire wheels. Beautiful two-tone green paint, darker green highlighting. Oh, this one's got right-hand drive. Let's see if this was exported. One of 14 right-hand drive examples built in 1927, full class. Delivered to Buenos Aires, Argentina. 11 went to London. First year, Cadillac offered custom paint like this. Again, an amazing motor car here going over the block tomorrow. Wow. My other phone has got a problem, so I'm running with this little one. It's not always as stable as I'd like. Anyway, this is Stunker. As you can see, the sun is setting here. It's Thursday night. We're looking at a couple of the sold cars here from the Sperling collection. We sold at no reserve earlier today. This one, gorgeous. 1937 Cadillac Series 75 convertible sedan. One of 50 built examples, 10 are known to exist. Purportedly exhibited at the 1936 New York Auto Show. Featured in an Angelo Van Bogart book. I worked for Angelo for a while. Old Cars Weekly. The Burlwood trim inside, stunning. Art Deco lettering and dash clock. Very, very beautiful vehicle right here. This one's a V8. You can see again the true movement toward the Deco styling, which actually I would say was inspired by the airflow, which fortunately had failings as an overall design, but influenced the streamlining of American automobiles going forward. Stylish use of the fender to hide the spare tire. Again, that gorgeous front end. A truly beautiful car here at Mecum 2020. Moving forward on our Cadillac coverage here from the Mecum Kissimmee auction on Thursday in the setting sun. Again, we begin to see design changes. As the 30s came to an end, the winds of war blew over Europe. Here's a 1940 Fleetwood 7-passenger Imperial sedan. Again, sold at no reserve earlier today. And you can see the fenders now completely cover over those spare tires. As we walk forward into this, you see the glass separating, driver and passenger compartment. Beautiful leather interior. Again, cloth inside in the passenger area. Beautiful vehicle. These are called standard of the world. You see those double doors. You see the lens here is giving us a little bit of distortion, not seriously. But again, tons of fluted chrome work. Spares. Another beautiful car here in the sunset at Mecum. And with the sun setting through that back window, we are here at Mecum. Again, checking out another great Cadillac. This one's from 1953. Beautifully appointed, bright red paint. This was T264, again sold in from the Spine collection at no reserve earlier today. One of 532 built that year. Formal type interior, black and white. Red overall color is just stunning. You can see the streamlining on the inside of the body here into the peak corners. Again, the top sealed underneath a hard cover. And those massive bullet-sized rear bumper guards. In 53, the early post-war era on the Cadillacs, but not radical changes to them. See the in-dash clock, dual outside mirrors, leather dash, power windows. Here's another great Cadillac here. This one's from 1956. 1953 beside it gives a pretty good idea of things that were changing. See these two upright. Look at this black and white interior. Split front bench seat, leather and cloth, hard top for the convertible. Again, the tail fins had come way up. If you look at the car behind it from 1953, you can see they were just starting. Now we had crisp edging, chrome outline, the word Eldorado, of course, spelled out in gold on the back, the Eldorado being top of the line Cadillac sport model. Even the hubcaps said Eldorado. You see the afternoon glow here. Again, big part of the Eldorado was gold anodization on the trim. And those massive bullet-sized bumper guards. And that Cadillac nameplate. Sell it here today at Mecum, Kissimmee, no reserve. Continue to paint these cars. This one is T267. This is a 59 Eldorado Biarritz. Again, this one's got a beautiful white leather interior inside it. Power windows. Two-tone steering wheel. Huge amount of chrome on these cars. Of course, those massive tail fins with the dual lenses in the back. Again, the word Eldorado spelled out across this lower area here. Stunning motor car here. Clock in the dash. They were 1,200 or 1,320 produced, and originally sold for $7,400 in 1959 bucks. 390, 345 horsepower, automatic transmission, and of course that factory parade boot. So the sun is setting on this day. What a gorgeous way to end with a beautiful Cadillac here. 1950, 60 Biarritz. Again, the new decade had started. This one's got gorgeous show chrome placed on it. That is a tri-power engine located beneath the hood on this car. T268 is a 60 Eldorado Biarritz convertible, 390 with factory air. 1,285 were produced. Previous Cadillac LaSalle Club Award winner, automatic transmission. Beautiful black interior, inset dash. Power everything, parade boot for the top, and you can see the fins had begun to dial down for 1960. Tail lights were moved into this turbine-shaped bezel in the back. One interesting part of the 60 model was the replication of the grille trim into the rear tail panel. Most people don't know that. Autotronic eye in the dash. Cadillac LaSalle Club, founded 1958. Factory air conditioning, chrome air cleaner. Gorgeous light. Great car. Do you like them hot? This one's hot because this one is another convertible. This is a Cadillac 62 series from 1963. But that Vortec high output engine has been installed underneath the bonnet. Stainless headers. Vintage air, powder-coated frame, all aluminum engine, 700 R4 automatic transmission, aluminum radiator, tan top. So again, wow, look at the leather inside this thing now. And now you can see this is 1963, a couple of years after the 1960 mile year, obviously, and those fins are slowly dwindling down into the vehicle. But Cadillac still captured the iconic look of American motoring. If you zoom down here, you can see the tail fins for 59, for 60, and for 63. Quite a comparison. Yeah. Gorgeous car. Trash guy rolling by. The radio on. Batteries in the trunk on this. Cool piece. 1963. Series 62. We're going to finish our lookup of these Cadillacs. Two post-era ones. Getting photo bombed in the back there. So anyway, sold at no reserve here. We've got a 76 and a 94. Yeah, we flow along the line. This is a Coupe de Ville from 76. 13,000 miles, 500 cubic inch motor. Posh velour interior, power windows and locks. Climate control and cruise control. Again, a beautiful, beautiful car here. Landau treatment on the roof. Coupe de Belle emblems. Again, you can see the tail fins have completely disappeared at this point. My hand has not. I don't know how much of that was in there. But walk over here to the 94 version. Again, this is a Fleetwood Brahms sedan. A great big car for this time period. 92, 5.0 liter V8, automatic transmission, power steering, electronic climate control, cruise control, blue leather interior. Ooh, pretty posh. Pretty posh inside. Chrome. Continuing on that gold anodized theme, trim-wise. Formal window. So, those are the Cadillacs here. Just room and